In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word and start a new document. Whether you're jotting down notes, writing up a report, or drafting a novel, knowing how to navigate the basics of Word is a fundamental skill that will enhance your productivity and efficiency. First, to get started, you'll need to locate the Microsoft Word application on your computer. It might be on your desktop, pinned to your taskbar, or you may need to find it through your list of programs in the Start menu. If you're using Mac, you can easily find Word in your Applications folder. Once you've located it, go ahead and open it. A warm welcome to Word, a versatile powerhouse for all your document creation needs. Once you have Word open, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the File tab, which you'll find at the top left corner of the Word window. This tab takes you to a whole new world of file management options, allowing you to create, open, save, and print documents, among other things. But for now, our focus remains on starting a fresh document. After clicking the File tab, you'll notice a menu unfold with a list of options down the left side. Now, you'll want to select New from this list. This action refreshes the main part of the screen to show you several options for starting a document. At this point, you'll be greeted by the sight of various templates. Don't let the choices overwhelm you. Right at the top, you'll see Blank Document. This is your go-to option if you're looking to start from scratch with an open canvas. It's perfect for those moments when you don't need a predefined structure and just want to dive in and capture your thoughts, ideas, or creations. However, if you do prefer some guidance or need a specific layout, feel free to browse the variety of available templates. These templates range from resumes to invoices and offer a great starting point with the added benefit of having some of the formatting work already done for you. Choose what best suits your need for the task at hand. Once you've made your choice, a new document will open up. This is your space to begin typing, adding images, building tables, or whatever else your project requires. The possibilities are virtually endless, limited only by your creativity and the demands of your work. And that's it. You're now ready to begin your document journey in Word. This simple process of creating a new document is your first step into the vast world of document editing and creation. So go on. Start typing and let your ideas take shape. Remember, the more you use Word, the more proficient you'll become at navigating its plethora of features. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing.